Well, good morning from Dynodaze. This morning's task is this beautiful, that's his form filled in, beautiful EP3. And we're tuning this today on the Honda Vert board. It's got some nice mods, as you can see. So we're looking to make some power today. This one's come on a trailer all the way from Wales. So let's hopefully send him away extremely happy, as every other customer has been. And yeah, I better get it strapped down to the dyno, guys. Okay, so that's the stock run done, and we have made 214 brake horsepower, which isn't a bad start at all, really, to be fair. So now Richard's going to fit the Honda Vert ECU, and we're going to get data logging and mapping, and let's get some power. How are you this morning, Richard?
So.
So?
Been a bit of a slow start today, isn't it?
Jason was here on time.
No, I meant, yeah, just getting started. I mean, it's been a bit of a slow morning, isn't it?
Yeah.
Could have been worse.
Could it?
Well, maybe.
I didn't sleep very well, mate.
No, mine was a bit rough and all.
We're going to have to start cuddling then, aren't we?
Yeah, maybe I was just a bit cold.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
A bit spooning.
You just roll over and give me a cuddle anytime you want. People will actually think we live together. Well, there's us finished for the morning on the EP3 with the Honda Vert board installed and mapped at Dynodaze. It's done really, really well. As you can see, the blue line is after, the red line is before. Lots of gains there. At one point in the mid-range there, it's about a 60 brake horsepower gain. which cannot be sniffed at. That's going to feel incredible. So we end today on 238 brake horsepower, which is 199 at the wheels, just about. Happy with that, Richard?
Yeah.
Yep, good stuff. Good stuff. Right, cheers for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for coming.